sunshine, I literally cannot contain my excitement for this freaking box I have sitting next to me. Whoo, man, am I freaking hyped up. Okay, so basically, we're gonna be unboxing my very first Quirky Crate box. I love cool stuff. I love kitschy stuff. I love, you know, like fun. I love, Betsy Johnson is my favorite designer. I have so many of her handbags. I have some of her jewelry. Like, I love things that are out there. I love whimsical. Like, it's just, it allows me to express my inner, like, child. Not that I don't think this stuff is childish, but I'm like, oh my gosh, look at all the joy that, like, whimsical stuff brings to the world. And so, when I laid eyes on the Quirky Crate Facebook ad that I had in my Facebook, I was like, what? Why has nobody ever told me about this box before? When I did my research, I found out that in every month you get a freaking cute handbag. You literally get a cute purse in every box. And I was like, oh, why has nobody told me about this box before? So I literally clicked like buy, like so fast. Like I just like boom, bought it. And they were like, hey, congratulations, you're gonna be getting the October box. And I was like, what? October is my favorite month. Halloween is my favorite holiday. Like there's no expectations, there's no presents. You can let your alter ego fly free and it be cool and dandy. And October, I love the leaves changing color. I love the bright colors. I love cool weather. I love pumpkins. I just love this time of year. It's my favorite thing. And I have been so disappointed that all 19 million subscription boxes I have sitting next to me have not done anything spooky and have not done anything fall themed. It's just been like bland. So literally I got this and I literally screamed. I literally was like, oh my god, look at the freaking cute package. Okay, so every month they change up the packaging. They change up the design of this box. So like here we have like ghosts. Like, oh my god, say hello to a spooky ghost, so fun. And then we have, here we have fangs with a little magic ball. I don't know what that's called. Here is the only downside that I have found so far. So basically, this subscription box is $35. It's around there, $35 every month, and it's like $7 shipping. So basically, at the end of the day, this box, to get this in my hands, it was $41.99. Yeah, but that's cool with me because you get like a cute handbag in every month, and then you get like some other stuff too. So basically, this box is Halloween themed, and I'm so excited. Like, look how cute. So freaking cute. Okay, so basically this was designed by Nikki Miles. Nikki Miles, you did fantastic, honey. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this box. Also, I have these bruises on my arm and I have no idea where I got them from. Okay, so enough about my problems. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is this fun, cute little butterfly. Also, I have to say, I have already looked into this box. Like, when I got it yesterday, and like, I wasn't feeling great yesterday, and I looked into it, and I ripped it open, and I peeked, and I already know what's inside of this box, and I still can't contain my energy. I'm like freaking pumped, man. Okay, so this is an iron-on patch. Life is better with a little flair. Just add heat. Okay, look how cute this butterfly is. Because of this box now, I have to go buy 2 jean jackets. I have to buy one for all of the iron-ons they have, and I have to buy one for all the pins that I'm going to be getting in this box. Okay, so here is the iron-on patch that I got. This is an edgy butterfly, and it's just so freaking cute. I love it so much, and I can't wait to start decorating jean jackets with all of the flair that I get in this box. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this cat cookie cutter. Spooky cat cookie cutter. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I want to get sugar cookie dough. I need to get sugar cookie dough. Please, somebody remind me to get cookie dough or make some so I can make spooky cats and then decorate them with icing. I'm having a Halloween party this weekend, and I'm so excited because Halloween is going to be next week and it's during the week, and I'm an adult, so I can't like stop my life to like have a Halloween party during the week on Halloween. Like, I'm trying to be responsible here. So the next responsible decision is to have a Halloween party this weekend, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to make cookies with this cookie cutter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Busy People costume. This is my Halloween costume. Look, you can pin it on your shirt, and that is all you need. Your Halloween costume is ready, set to go. Ah, so cute. I mean, like, it's not the most like thing that I've ever seen in my life before, but it's something fun. And if you literally don't have time to go to like the store to buy a Halloween costume, you could throw this pin on, and if anybody tries to say anything, you could just be like, that's my Halloween costume, leave me alone. Okay, that's all you need to do. The next thing that I am pulling out is a pillow cover. Now, this is the second pillow cover I've ever received in any subscription box before, and I do have to say that This type of stuff makes me nervous because if you've ever been on my channel before, if you watch my videos, if you kind of like blur out what I'm saying and just watch around me, you will see that there's a crap ton of paranormal activity going on. Literally, in all of my fashion videos, there is this energy, there is an orb that goes and follows the same pattern in all of my videos. Like if I go in the office, it follows a specific pattern and I have videos on it. Like I have videos on my channel about like the paranormal experience that I've experienced in this house. I've had a lot of experiences in this house. And then if you go and watch my videos, you will see this little ball of light just zip across, and it's not dust, it's not a bug, because I mean, I have problems. We all have allergies, so we clean the house at least twice a week. And there aren't bugs here because we keep the house clean and we keep our windows closed and everything. So I know it's not bugs. I know it's not, you know, whatever, because I'm not going to get into a whole long explanation. If you're curious, I have videos up on my channel, but it's in every video, or it's in, like, even if you can't specifically find something, it's just, you know, you'll see. If you care enough, you'll see. So having this type of stuff in my house kind of makes me a little woozy because I don't want to be messing with no negative energy. But I mean, let's pretend that I didn't care about negative energy. Let's pretend I was like, ooh, goose and ghost. And I said goose. Why did I say goose? Okay, so this is a pillow sham. I had that big long explanation just to tell you guys that this is a pillow sham. It says you are magic. I really thought this had a Ouija board on it, but it doesn't. The next thing that I'm pulling out, I'm so hyped. I freaking love pins. I used to collect Disney pins. So this is a pin and it says Basic Witch. And it's got the freaking magic ball that we have on the front cover of the box. Like even the pattern matches down to a T. So again, I'm gonna need a jean jacket and maybe even a hat to start putting all these pins on. I am so hyped to show off my flair to everybody. The next thing that I'm pulling out is in this plastic bag, this pink, it's not plastic, there's a plastic bag inside. This is pink velvet bag. Okay. So this was the thing that I was talking about that I was like, because like the negative energy and everything like that. But I mean, if I will never ever play a Ouija board because you don't want to screw with stuff that you don't know a whole lot about. But this is so cute. Like if I just have it on my keychain, I think I'll be okay. But okay, it's a glitter. I don't know what this is actually called, but it's glittery. It's pink and blue and purple, so it's kind of like an ombre. And yeah, so look how, like, I love the spooky factor to it, but it's like spooky and cute at the same time. It's so like aesthetically pleasing. It's like a hard plastic. It's not glass or anything like that. And the back is also glittered. And so you're supposed to keep this on like your keychain. And I just bought my first car. I haven't even told you guys. I just bought my first car. I still don't have my license yet, but I'm getting that. I don't actually know when I'm getting that. But my parents were car shopping and I was like, oh my god, I should buy a car. And so I bought a car, and that's a longer story. There's actually so much more to that story. If you guys care about it, let me know and I will make a video. But this is cute. So I have car keys now that I can start keeping these cute little additions in. Next thing that I'm pulling out, woo, I am so hyped to actually wear these. Oh my gosh. Okay, so these are actually really soft. I was not expecting these to be nearly as soft as they are. So these are Ouija board socks. Look how cute. This was the other thing that I was kind of nervous about. But you know, if anything happens, you know, everything happens for a reason, right? So we have the Ouija board like keychain thing, and then we have these like knee-high socks. And these are a mood. I freaking can't wait to wear these this weekend. It's gonna be cold, so of course I gotta keep my feet covered. They're cute and they're actually really soft. Like I don't like it when these printed socks have that like hard plastic, kind of like artificial polyester feeling, but these are like a nice soft cotton and they're so cute. I didn't even show you guys. Look at the cute little sticker that like had everything wrapped up. I just like kind of pulled everything out, but it says enjoy and like ghost. And so the last thing that I'm pulling out of here, girl, I'm excited. Okay, look at the black cat bag. Okay, and this isn't like a cheap like look, this is a crossbody. And what is this called? Like the crossbody part of the purse is wrapped in this like gold chain, and it's so cold. It's cold outside, and this chain is very cold. So here we have this black cat bag, And like, here's the inside of it. Like, it's not a huge purse. I mean, you can't fit like 20 pounds, but I can literally fit like my whole fist in there. But I mean, I wouldn't say you could fit your whole 20-pound makeup collection in here, but your wallet, a lipstick tube, maybe like some face powder and stuff like that, you totally could. But yeah, here is the bag, and it's so freaking cute. So like, look, it's like literally the size of my face. I'm so in love with this. I love Betsy Johnson so much, and like, I know this isn't Betsy Johnson, but it's still got that cute whimsical stuff that her brand has, and I'm literally so hyped. So oh, and I didn't even show you guys the rest of the box. Okay, it says not them, and then this side says be you. Oh my god, be you, not them. And then this side it says open if you dare. So cute. There was literally so much effort put into this box, and I'm like flipping out. Like, I love this so much. And they just charged me for my November box, like at the end of it, like today. So today is October, I don't even remember, but it's the end of October, and they just charged me for my November box, and their boxes ship on the 15th. So I can't wait to get my next box. I literally flippin' cannot wait. So for $40, I don't feel like I got ripped off. Like, I don't feel like other subscription boxes where I'm like, oh my god, this is such a rip off. I feel like I got cute stuff. Like, the pillow sham is a very heavy, it's a very thick pillow sham, so I'm sure that's around $15 or $20. The pillow sham is $22. The black cat crossbody is $30. The basic witch pin is $10. The socks are $12. The cookie cutter is $3.75. The sparkle keychain is $5.50. The Halloween costume pin is $5. And the iron-on patch is $12. Total value of this box is $100.25. I don't feel like I got ripped off at all, because it's like everything in here, I kind of have that like small business, kind of like more personalized feeling, where it's like kind of homely feeling, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Like, I guess this is the only thing, and the socks are really the only two things that I don't feel like were like super handmade and maybe came from like a mass retailer. But I feel like everything in this box is so cute. It's going to go to use. It's like, it just made me, really, it brought me so much joy. And I'm really happy with everything. I'm so pumped, literally, with everything in this box. I can't wait to make my jean jacket. I can't wait to wear like a jean jacket with the iron on, and jean jacket with all the pins that I get. And really, like, honestly, I signed up because I was so happy to get purses, and I'm so happy with my very first Quirky Crate box. So I can't wait for you guys to see this video. I can't wait to see how excited you guys are, or maybe like what your initial reactions are of this box. So what was your favorite in this Quirky Crate box? What was something you feel like this box is missing? What do you feel like you should see in your or my next Quirky Crate box? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.